Hi guys, so I'm going to do this week's book talk on Bones by Anna Sanderman. This book is in a series, the Body Books. There are many different series to it. It's all just books about the body, about eating, breathing, senses, the bones. There's multiple books in this series and I think they are all great. I chose this one in particular because bones really interest me. These kind of books were the ones that interest me as a child, and now that I'm growing up and majoring in nursing, I love these books because they keep it so simple and so easy to actually understand, and I think they're beneficial for any ages, not just children. So I really encourage everyone to go check these out. So the first thing I want to talk about was the contents. So in the readings, we talked about the importance of the contents in the informational books. They should be easy to read, easy to find, and kind of give an outline of how the book works. So I'm just going to kind of read the contents to you guys so you kind of understand what this book has to offer. So the first thing is who has bones, what are bones, the human skeleton, the spine, the skull, fingers, hands and arms, legs, feet and toes, joints, muscles, growing, broken bones, did you know, and the index. So this obviously is not just a book about bones. It kind of goes into detail about many different things. So it starts out with who all has bones, which I really love because not only are they focusing on the human body, but also other animals we see around us, different mammals, and kind of what compares to us. The pictures are amazing. So it gives you a picture of the full animal, but then it also gives the bones that are inside, which I love. Goes in to describe what a bone is, what it's made of, the functions, stuff like that. Again, super easy to read and understand. Gives you a big picture. I love this picture because sometimes when you see a skeleton, it's kind of hard to actually understand what is what. So when it's the whole body, and then you can just kind of like see through like an x-ray vision of what the skull and all the skeleton bones and all that, and also the cat down low kind of adds a little bit to it. On this page it describes that humans and mammals are a lot the same. We all have a spine, which is, I love that. I think it's super cool. I think kids get a good kick out of that because we're just like animals. Who wouldn't love that? Goes in to talk about the spine, talks about the skull, different parts of the skull. Throughout the book, it also gives you activities to try, to test it out. So this one is said to paint a picture in the air. Watch your hand move up and down at your wrist. So this is to show that there's different bones in the fingers and in the wrist. It's not just connected to the arm. It's not just one long bone. I love that. Gives the child to actually kind of learn on their own. It also talks about the joints. A joint is where the bone meets. And then talks about muscles, which is also interesting. Kind of everything that makes our body works. Talks about growing, the different stages, different sizes of our bones. Talks about broken bones because that is very occurring to children especially. And then in the end, it's just did you know fun facts. I really encourage you guys to check out one of these books. I love it. I love how easy they are, but also how informative they are. Thanks, guys.